Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs to the test for Senegal internet users. And we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your online experience in Senegal. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for users in Senegal? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your personal info stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get exposed while browsing or streaming in Senegal. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track your online activity or location. But where they differ, that's what really matters for folks connecting from Senegal. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best choice for Senegal because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of scams or fake offers, even when the VPN is off. Plus, it has a cool tool called Meshnet, letting you connect securely with friends or family across Senegal for private browsing or streaming. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your phone, laptop, and tablet all at once while in Senegal. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Senegalese user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise. It's been proven. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. It's special sauce. It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middleman. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you in Senegal. For anyone worried about slow connections, it also provides a SOCKS 5 proxy for faster speeds. This can help route your traffic for a potential boost. But keep in mind, you're trading off a layer of encryption for that speed. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Senegal? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. That means less buffering and smoother streaming or browsing. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady connection times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found speeds sometimes dip depending on the server you pick. So which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if fast, reliable connections are your top priority for accessing content or services from Senegal. Go with IPVanish if you have lots of devices to protect or want the most stable, self-controlled infrastructure. And finally, pick PIA if you're a privacy-focused Senegalese user looking for verified open-source security at a great price. And that's it. We're out of time. So if this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're using in Senegal. See you soon.